Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone touchscreen not working after update iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Disable and re-enable 3D touch. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap on touch, tap 3D and haptic touch, turn off 3D touch, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 2. Clean the screen. Gently clean the screen with a soft cloth and water. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.